Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Toyota Land Cruiser 79 series. Let's start by laying down the foundational shapes. First, sketch a large rectangle for the main body, about 2/3 of your drawing space. Then, add a smaller, slightly offset rectangle on top for the cabin. Don't forget to draw 2 circles at the bottom for the wheels, ensuring they are aligned. Remember to use light, erasable lines for all your initial shapes. Now, let's bring out some of the Land Cruiser's iconic features. Outline the distinctive square headlights and the prominent grille, which is often a key identifier. Sketch the robust front bumper and the practical side mirrors. Don't forget to add the characteristic large, flared wheel arches that give it its rugged look. Also, include the fuel filler cap and door handles to enhance realism. With the main features in place, it's time to refine your drawing. Carefully darken the main outlines of the Land Cruiser to define its robust form. Then, gently erase any unnecessary construction lines you used earlier. Now, apply some basic shading to create depth and dimension. Focus on adding shadows under the vehicle, within the wheel wells, and in other recessed areas to make it pop off the page. For the final touches, let's add some finer details. Draw the window frames and windshield wipers to complete the cabin. Don't forget to add the rugged tread patterns on the tires for a more realistic look. You can also include subtle texture on the body panels and the grille to suggest material. Finally, consider adding a simple background, like a horizon line, to give your Land Cruiser some context.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.